How to check if someone blocked me on Snapchat. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open Snapchat app on your mobile. As you open Snapchat app on your mobile, then you have to go on the profile option that is located up above. As you go on the profile option, then you have to scroll down and go under the name of my friends. As you click on my friends, then it will show all of your friends and best friends in your alphabetical order. Then you have to search the person's name over here. If the person appears in your friends request list, then the person has not blocked you. If the person doesn't appears over here, then the person has blocked you. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.